Our next target are these 3 trees behind us. They have to go, they are unhealthy, they lose branches and they are rotten. So they create the danger, and also, they spread the sickness to other trees. So we decided to get rid of them next. Okay, so these are the giant trees we have to get rid of. This is second one and third one. When you look at the third one, it's all eaten by woodpeckers and other animals. It's kind of dangerous for the entire situation. So today we are going to get rid of one of them. All right, so we should be able to pull it now with the line and call it a day. See what happens. See, that's the 10% that we're supposed to leave, so that was good. And see, this 10% was holding the whole tree in place until we pulled it. Okay, so this is the result. I'm glad we didn't hit the Christmas tree right there. And now I have to chop those branches. But that's the one. And there's another one, so 2 more. Yeah, so that's the distribution. And look what happened. My chainsaw got stuck. I was cutting it, you can't move it. It's stuck, you see, on the other side. So what I could come here and grab it with the tractor and lift it up, but the last thing I want to do is to bend the bar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use another chainsaw and just slash it right next to it, collapse the whole thing, and eliminate the extra weight and release the other chainsaw. See what happens. So we were able to lose the pressure and release the other chainsaw. So good. Okay, shit happens like that, so it's good to have 2 chainsaws just in case. Like I've never done it in my entire life, so everything is new, you know. And sometimes I get too lazy to go for those triangles what you punch in, right? In the wood, it's just I try to speed it up and I got myself in such an accident, so it's all good. The most important is that we are playing, fooling around, we are having fun. So 2 more trees to go, and so far so good. I'm still alive, so this is another good thing.